Hi, and welcome to today's video. Today I will be walking you through the process of creating an Ascender Parent Portal account. Now you may have one already, but maybe your significant other doesn't have one. And that's what this process will be for. For those people who didn't get a chance to create an account because their significant other or somebody else enrolled their kids in school. What you're going to do first is you're going to go to fsisd.net, which is the school district website. Once you've done that, you will go to Parents and Students. From here, you will go to Ascender Parent Portal, and you will create an account right there. Now, the process is going to require you to create a username. It needs to be 26 to 25 alphanumeric characters, meaning there needs to be at least one number in there. Letters and numbers, at least one number. Or it could be all numbers and at least one letter, combination. You will need to create a password, 8 to 46 characters using 3 of the following. So it needs to have at least one of 3 of these 4 right here. So it needs to have at least one uppercase, and the rest could be letters and numbers, or it could be have a special character in there. So a combination of the 3 of the 4. You will be required to re-enter your password right here. You will need to put an email, and it is required. And you can also do a phone, mobile number, and that's optional. Whenever you after you have finished the process, you will get a email. After you've finished the process, logged in, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So you will go to your email. You will have received an email from Ascender Parent Portal. You will click verify email. There'll be a little link on there. If you put in the phone number, it's going to send you a text with a code. You will put in the code, and it will verify your mobile number, and it will verify your email. Okay. On the next step, it's going to ask you a security question. So it could be, what is the name of your pet, first pet? What is your mother's maiden name? Whatever the question, just put in the password, and you could click complete. And then it'll take you back to the login page, and then you'll be able to use your username and password, do your verification, check your email, check the phone number in case you put in the mobile number right here, give you a verification code. And that's it. Pretty simple. All right. Well, you have a good day. Thank you.